Hey, this is Josh. Today is July 12, 2017. I just did the whole video and the sound wasn't on, so this one will probably be a lot shorter. I did not get a chance to do one yesterday, but real quick, yesterday was a strong bull trend day, buy climax on a higher time frame chart. So today's strong reversal tested below yesterday, which was a buy climax on a higher time frame chart. Real quick, really interesting. These 2 days were very similar to 2 days last week. So here you had a strong bull trend day, just like yesterday. Reversal, early high of the day, low 2 sell setup, turned into a strong bear breakout, turned into a sell climax. So I did not enter a channel here, but again, very similar to today. So yesterday, strong bull trend day, tested yesterday's high, low 2 sell setup, strong bear breakout. This did lead to a bear channel, but also sell climax, 2 legs up from a reversal. So I just thought that was pretty interesting. So today opened in a small bear channel. I got a small sell climax bear trend channel overshoot here, led to a reversal up in test of yesterday's high. You could also argue this was the first break of the bear trend line, although there was a break the bull trend line yesterday here. So there was a break here. You could say this was the major trend reversal. This was the start of a trading range, or you can consider a longer term bull trend line, first break, test of the high, and this is the major trend reversal. Really doesn't matter. So test of the high, this was a high one buy setup, but near the high of a trading range. Okay, swing buy, scalp, probably not. Okay to buy for a swing. So then led to a failed high one, double top, micro double top, higher double top, major trend reversal, second entry here, strong bear entry bar, strong bear follow through, strong bear breakout, led to a small bear channel, tight bear channel. This was a weak high one, so it was reasonable to expect buyers to be below there, but as far as me buying personally, I would not. More aggressive trader may consider doing that. So this was a weak buy setup. It's an II buy setup at first entry after a strong bear breakout. It's a doji bar, so force some bulls to buy high. The bulls bought down here, they're not buying up here. So they're more likely to be sellers above this high. Acceptable scalp to sell above this bar. Selling below here, probably high enough probability for a scalp, but better to take as a swing trade down. There was some buying pressure around this low, which was around this gap yesterday. So buying pressure early on, more signs of buying pressure, tail, micro double bottom here. The bulls are buying and scaling in lower. You can see that they did that here as well, kept doing it here, kept doing it here. The bears are selling, bull closes and above weak reversals and below failed reversals and off the bear trend line. So bear entry bar for this swing short here, poor bear follow through, but also a weak buy setup. So you could try getting in with the limit order above there. Probably not going to get filled, and I doubt you did. Led to a new low. Signs of buying pressure. Bears are not selling on stops below the lows. So a weak bear channel, although tight. This is a failed high 2 sell setup here. Selling into the low of the day, so better to take as a swing trade. This was a weak buy setup here. Still in the bear channel. Big bear doji bar. Bear entry bar for this sell setup. Turn into a double top bear flag. Reasonable to sell above here for an acceptable scalp down. Selling below this bull bar, you can take it for a swing, argue that the bulls are trapped. However, it did not reach a swing profit. Since it's into the low of the day, I would not take that for a scalp. This was a bull attempt at a failed low 2 and small wedge flag, 1, 2, 3, pushes down. 1, 2, third push down, higher low. Was not very strong. Buy stop in the middle of this tight trading range. Low probability entry. You can see it did not even trigger. The bears sold to close off the bear trend line. resulting in a sell climax and a new low. This was a parabolic wedge sell climax. So you got start of the bear channel, you can argue is here or here. So first push down, second push down, third push down, parabolics. Strong. The selling pressure here is stronger than it has been through here. You could also argue this is the first push down, second push down, third push down. So reasonable to buy here for a swing up, for 2 legs up. However, this was the first strong bull rally here. You could consider buying below here as a weak low one after a sell climax and reversal. The bears I thought the bears were likely to sell this close because it was the first 3 consecutive bull bars since the open, other than these here, since the bear breakout. First 3 consecutive bull bars. So you can see it looks like they did, or maybe there was some bull profit taking. Not bull profit taking, bear profit taking on the test back down to here. So reasonable to buy below there. The EMA did not hold as resistance. The bulls were able to get a close above the EMA on the first test, which is common after a sell climax and reversal, because the bears are no longer willing to sell until there's been 2 legs up. So low 2 sell set up here, but pretty strong buying pressure, strong reversal, break of the bear trend line, tested the low. You could also say there was also a smaller bear trend line in here, which the break was here, retest of the low. So the bulls were not able to break strongly above here. The market technically became always in long here for a second leg up, but they were not able to generate a really strong reversal and break prices back above here. So it formed a trading range and a double top bear flag with here. This was a reasonable sell setup, 2-bar reversal, failed bull breakout, but it did not trigger. Became a bull signal bar instead. You could argue selling above here is a weak high 1 at the top of a trading range. You probably would not have been filled. Selling below this bar was lower probability. It's a bull bar after a climax and reversal. Probably you could sell for a swing, but not very high probability. Maybe 50% at best. So bear entry bar, bear follow through, weak reversal, could sell above here, but again the bears were unwilling to sell or to commit strongly, and since then prices have entered this weak bull channel, small trading range, and it's been in like a 10 pip trading range since this sell climax. So 09, 23, a little bit bigger, but very hard to make money in conditions like this. Unless if you're willing to scalp for 5 to 7 pips, you can do it. But here's a reasonable buy setup. Okay, sorry, not totally sure where I left off. Prices are in this weak bull channel now. Very hard to make money in these conditions unless you're willing to scalp for 5 to 7 pips. So reasonable this was a reasonable swing buy. Double bottom bull flag, high or low, start of the second leg up, first leg up, bull spike, 2 small legs back. You know, argue first leg down here, second leg here, or 1, 2, start of the bull channel. So okay to buy above that bar. So high 2, second entry, first entry here, first entry, second entry. But prices have been unable to break above this above this trading range. There's a chance that the bears try for a sell the close bear trend into the close for a stronger bear entry bar on the daily chart, or signal bar, sorry. So it's pretty. I thought that the bears might try for an outside bear bar day, but they came close but didn't quite reach yesterday's low. There's a chance that they may try into the close to create a stronger sell signal for a second entry on the daily chart. Still a reasonable sell signal now, but there's a possibility sell off into the close. But at this point, it looks pretty unlikely. Prices are in this small range, probably going to close in the middle of this range, maybe up around here, but probably somewhere in the middle here. So I think that was all I had. Yeah, I can't remember anything else. Like I said, that first video really messed me up whenever the sound wasn't working. Alright, well, that's about all I had for today. See you later.